Hi, today we're going to be installing the HMF bumper on a Can-Am Maverick Sport. First thing we need to do is remove this aftermarket one that I currently have on here. It's more of a light holder than a bumper. The hardware that came with it is excessively long, as you can see. Thin metal. The fitment, I can almost fit my finger in this gap. It's not the world's greatest fitment, you know, it worked. We move into this made in America, high quality HMF product. If you look at the flanges on this, the thickness compared to that, definite upgrade. Go from this really thin metal to these really thick flanges. We're going to take a clamp-on style. It's going to be a bolt-on style. We're going to drill some holes. So, step one, we're going to remove this big smiley face off the front of my car. Got this other aftermarket bumper off. Got our HMF racing bumper ready to install. You can clean up the front end here. These are the front, what they call factory bumper tubes. We're going to have to drill a hole in there to mount it, which is fine. On the installation instructions here, dare say, start by taping off the front bumper uprights where the new bumper will sit. That's those things right there. Hold the new bumper in place. Make sure it's level and marking hole centers with a marker or pencil. So basically it's for mock-up purposes. Basically it's going to go right there. It's going to look real nice and beefy. Oh, look, it's already stuck. Installation's done. Nah, just kidding. So I have to bolt the holes. After doing that, you're going to use a center punch to make a dimple on the hole center marks. Then you use an 1/8 inch drill bit to make a pilot hole. And then make sure it goes through both sides of the tube. And then you chase it with a 3/8 drill bit. And then you're going to put the bumper in place and install the provided 2 M8 55 Allen head bolts, nuts, washers, which are in this bag here. High quality hardware. Comes with an HMF sticker too. Final step is level and tighten. Here's a diagram on the back. Looks like that's on a Maverick trail, not a sport, or maybe a base sport, but we're gonna clean this thing up and get to work. All right, we've put our bumper in place. Just kind of using the natural fall of the bracketry just to see how it kind of flows and looks pretty good, and confirmed with a level that we're ready to rock. Now we just gotta get inside here and mark these holes so we can get to drilling with this probably 35-year-old drill my dad has had forever. So while the bumper was hanging there, I marked some tape above and below the brackets, and then I taped off the area in between. So when I put the bumper back up there for mock-up, I can use a Sharpie and see where it's supposed to be. All right, we're taped up. Let's hang it. Very precision fist hammer. And we're pretty level. Bring the side down a little bit with the official fist hammer. And I'm gonna call it good. Take out the Sharpie. Gonna pull the bumper off here. Should have some marks. Voila. Marks. Marks. Now we can get the drill together and go on to the next step. Let's see if we can watch this live. Watch me screw this up somehow. Drill one-handed, that's a bad idea. So your cameraman Tony, before it goes to sleep here, just kind of point it in the general direction. I feel confident in that. All right, we're just gonna repeat the same thing on that side, and then we'll come back and chase with a bigger bit. Thank you. Drilled all the way through. Cool. It's scary. Drilled some big holes in my bumper, but you go all the way through. You can see light. There's shavings everywhere. Take the tape off, deburr it. I should be ready to put some hardware in this beautiful American Made HMF racing bumper. Retired engineer Tony reminded me, always deburr your holes. Don't leave your holes burry. Make them nice, clean, smooth holes with a large drill bit. That way you're burr free. Be burr free. Alright, we are apparently professionals because first try, the bolt is in. The bolt is in. Threads are protruding through these brackets. Just got to put our nuts and washers on there, snug it up, and send it. All right, this HMF racing bumper is installed. Now I just got to get some different lights, remount my horn. We're good to go. Nailed the installation on this side. Looks beautiful. Let's back it up here. Get a full frame here. It really looks a lot cleaner than our big old one over here. HMF Racing, high quality American made products. Got the bumper here. Got our exhaust. It's beautifully bronzed up. Got the logo there. Put it through the race paces. And I couldn't be happier. The HMF equipped tune with that exhaust. Many of smiles. So pick yourself up an HMF Racing bumper, exhaust, tune, anything you can think of for all makes and models. And best of all, made in America. Thank you HMF Racing for your sponsorship. And have a great day.